Hey there, fellow Vivaldi users. Are you looking to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Vivaldi extension? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to remove the extension from your browser. Let's get started. To uninstall the Turn Off the Lights extension, click right on the gray lamp button, and select the menu item, Remove Extension. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you want to remove the extension. Click Remove to proceed. And just like that, the Turn Off the Lights extension is completely uninstalled from your Vivaldi browser. Congratulations! You've successfully uninstalled the Turn Off the Lights Vivaldi extension. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!